Hi everyone, in this example I am going to explain mesh analysis in a simplified way. So step number 1 will be by drawing the currents in each branch. Currents usually starts from positive side of the batteries. So I1 will be formed by the 3 volts battery, then I2 from the second battery, positive side, going through the branch. These two currents will be added together in node A, forming I3. So I3 equals to I1 plus I2. Now let's assign the polarity of each component in the circuit. The point where the current enters will be positive, and where it leaves will be negative. Positive, negative. Oh, I reversed them. Positive, now we can apply the KVL loop. Clockwise direction, clockwise direction. This is for I1 and this is for I2. Solving for loop I1, we will go to the clockwise direction, taking the first sign of the component. So -3, continuing in the loop, the first sign of the second component, plus 2I1 to the third component, plus 1I3, going back to the battery, closing the loop, so equals to 0. We can substitute this I3 in place of the in the equation. So -3 plus 2I1 plus I1 plus I2 equals to 0. We can combine this with this. So, and take this -3 to the other side of the equation, and it will be 3I1 plus I2 equals 3. This is equation number 1. Let's go for loop 2 or loop I2. Loop I2. Going to the clockwise direction, taking the first sign of the component, which is positive 2, continuing in the loop to the first sign of the second component, which is -1I3, -4I2, going back to the battery, which closes the loop and give us 0. We can also substitute here I3. 2 minus I1 minus I2 minus 4I2 equals to 0. Let's combine I2 minus I2 with minus 4I2. This is the second equation. So we have 2 equations and 2 unknowns. We can solve this easily by calculator. So we will get I1 equals to 0.928 and I2 equals 0.214 amps, and as we know I3 is equal to I1 plus I2. Both is there, and if we add them together we will have 1.142 amps. So this is how to solve using mesh analysis. Thank you for listening.